The describing place. There are many chains in the city today. For example, in 1916, there was a beautiful park in the same place. There is a huge office building, one of the main attractions of the city was the small restaurant with tropical food. These restaurants are not there anymore in the place. Um, the building of parking lot. The other things they changed in that there were beautiful small colonial houses. There aren't there anymore. You can see a huge apartment building. Finally, the biggest mistake in the city planning was the forest. There were hundreds of trees near the park. Now there are factory pollution the air.